So in this video, I'm going to show you how much I earned this year on Upwork. So drum roll please. $30.53. It sucks, right? So I only did this one gig for, it was $30, something like that. Then there was a $5 tip or something like that. So this gig was for redesigning like a CV for this gentleman right here. So actually my my lifetime earnings since I started working on Upwork, I've only made $34.50. Yeah, that's how Upwork sucks. Really, it sucks. It sucks. Again, I cannot say that I've made this much because I had to buy connects, right? Not from these funds, from my other source, right? I just want to try it out, maybe see if I can find some other jobs. So for this gig, but one positive thing about this, my experience, is that I got at least a 5-star review. So great. Maybe it might assist me in future projects. I don't know. Now the problem with working on Upwork is that if you're doing like generic jobs that we do, there's a lot of supply, right? There are few jobs and there are many service providers. And again, and the second problem with working on Upwork is that you have to buy proposals, right? And you might buy proposals, then submit proposals, especially the ones which I submitted. None of these were viewed. And if you submit a proposal and if your client reviews it, there must be some sort of like an eye icon right here to show that your proposal has been viewed. But my problem is that I've submitted proposals upon proposals and none of those were viewed. And the gig that I got, I actually submitted it like after some time, really, after that job was posted, and it was viewed within 5 minutes. After some minutes, actually, I received like a message from the client, and he asked me if I could redesign, his proposals for that amount, and I agreed. And they did a wonderful job for him, paid me. But most of the proposals which I've submitted has not been viewed or anything. And even though you have to pay some money to buy those, if the client doesn't, view a proposal, you're not getting your connects back. So right now on my connects, actually, let me take a look at my connects. How many I'm left with? I've got 60 of them. But for me to just browse for jobs and apply for those jobs, it's actually a waste of time. But some of those jobs you can apply and the client can take the job down. It becomes useless really to waste the time in applying for them. But basically, I don't know, maybe I need to apply more. But to tell the truth, I think I'm done with this Upwork thing. But what I'll be doing right now is that I'll be keeping an eye for projects that that might need maybe like an individual to perform, especially from my own country. Those I think are the projects that I will apply for. But for these ones, I think I'm done with them. That's what I'll be doing. So because there's a lot and lots of competition. But if you are providing those services which do need like a lot of like size skills which are a little bit complex or complicated, yeah, you stand a chance to win good projects on Upwork. But if you're doing like a generic jobs like writing resumes, designing banners, it's not even worth it. But some people are actually making something. But for me, no. I'm done. I also spent something. I think, let me check here. I also spent some money, I think, to buy these connects. But I wasn't using like the funds which I got from Upwork. I was actually using my personal funds. So if you wanted to try it, try it. But for me, I'm gone. Thank you for watching this video. Until then, see you on the next one.